So we are going to download the Arduino IDE. First open your browser, then go to Google and type Arduino IDE. Click the first link you see on the web browser. It will take us to the Arduino website. Here in the Arduino website, I'm in their software. So you will see hardware and software. Just click on the software. So this is Arduino IDE 2.02. This is the latest version. So scroll down. This is Arduino IDE 1.819 version. So we are going to download this 2.02 version. Choose your operating system and click on it. So it will take you to this site. You can contribute and continue, but I'm not going to contribute anything. Just click on download. You can see it's downloading. So here I'm done downloading it, so I'm going to open it and install it. So just go ahead and click the necessary thing that you need to do. Just watch what I'm doing here. So it's done. And click and finish. It's done installing. So let's go to the next step. I'm going to open the IDE. So this is how the software looks like. As of the day that I'm recording this video, I downloaded the latest version, which is 2. But I'm having issue with it. The thing is not loading up, so I decided to use the old version just to show you how the software looks like. I'm going to put out a picture with labels about this whole window here. I'm going to put out a label to show you where to tap and what they do.